Hey everyone! So in this video, I will do my first chemical peel at home using TCA 50% solution. Alright, so here are the things that we need. Of course, the TCA solution 50%, a surgical gloves. I will be using this unused saucer as a container for the TCA solution. And also we need a wet towel. And the next I'll be using a cotton pads, but you can use a gauze as well. And I will also use a rubbing alcohol 70% to cleanse my face. And then mini fan, but I have also a big fan beside me. And lastly, petroleum jelly. So first, I wipe my skin with an alcohol to make sure that there's no excess oil and dirt. So next, I will apply petroleum jelly on my nostrils, around my eyes, and also lips because these areas are very sensitive, so we have to protect them using petroleum jelly. Alright, so here I used a syringe to get the solution from the bottle to transfer it to the saucer. So now I will start applying the solution on my face. So I just soak the cotton pads in the solution and then squish it a little to remove the excess solution for it to not drip. So you just need to swipe once on each area on your skin. Once you're done with the first layer on your whole face, wait at least 5 minutes before applying the second layer. Alright, so here I am done with the first layer. But if you can see, there's no frosting on my skin. But still, my skin stings and burning though. Alright, so here I will apply the second layer. So here I am gently applying it because the pain is more intense. So here, as you can see, it has frosting after applying the second layer. So I will just continue applying the second layer on my face and I will get back to you. Alright, so here I'm not yet done with the second layer, but almost, and I can really feel the pain. My head also hurts because of the intense pain, actually. Alright, so this is the most painful area, which is the felt room, or the part between the upper lip and the nose. Like the pain is 10 over 10, but my pain tolerance is high, so I can still manage. But the pain will cause your tears to fall, like what happened to me here in the video. But actually, you can put numbing cream, but it's my choice to not use numbing cream. Because for me, I can control the amount of the solution that I need to apply on my skin when I'm feeling the pain. Because for me, if I am not feeling anything, I might overdo it or put too much solution that may damage my skin. Alright, so here I will just continue on applying the solution on my face and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so here I am done applying the solution on my face, both the second and third layer. So this is how my skin or face look after the procedure. So I will just wait 5 to 10 minutes before applying my aftercare or skincare products. And this is how my skin looks after I think more than 10 minutes. Alright, so for my aftercare products, I will be still using the Banish serum with vitamin C and E. Aside from it will brighten your skin, it will also boost the collagen production and hydrates our skin. So TCA solution will dries up your skin, so we need to keep it hydrated or moisturized. So for me, Banish serum will help my skin to heal faster. And then next, I will use the Banish Fighter Gel. Actually, this product is for breakouts or pimples and eczema. But this product will help you with other skin problems like redness, inflammation, insect bites, or even joint pain. So because of its soothing effect, it will help my skin to relax and calm after my TCA treatment. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Mwah!